Hey, y'all, this is Kai, and welcome to Kai Explores Life. This is a place where I embrace life after 50 through gardening, travel, nature, and everyday adventures. Whether I'm growing something new in the garden or exploring new destinations or simply enjoying the beauty around me, I'm here to share it with you and hopefully inspire your journey. If you're already a part of this amazing community, thank you. If you're new, I'd love for you to subscribe and join us for the next adventure. Don't forget to like, leave a comment, and if your YouTube app gives you the option, hype this video. It really helps support the channel. Now let's get started. I've been thinking about this decision that I finally made for a very long time. Actually, I've been going back and forth on whether or not to do this because I struggle a lot with indecision. But last week, I decided that I am going to let it go. And it's not because I really don't appreciate having an SUV, because I really do. And this SUV has done me well. And it was actually the first vehicle that I got after my car broke down in Alabama when I was out there trying to car camp. And I also did make this decision because somebody told me that I should. But some of the things that I realized just made sense. The fact that I'm making car payments to a vehicle that I put on my bankruptcy and it's no longer being reported to the credit bureau. So what's the point? I'll be continually paying it off and it's a ride through so they can come and take it anytime they want. So what I chose is to have a little bit more freedom. Freedom to a point where I don't owe anybody anything anymore. And the whole point of letting this go, since it has payments, is so I could save up money to get a vehicle that I really want, that's more economical, and that I don't have payments on. So if I save up the money that I was paying on this vehicle that they could take anytime they want and save up enough to buy a car straight out, that makes more sense. The older I get, the more I ask myself the question is not what can I afford, but just what makes the best sense, especially for the things that I choose to do and I want to do. And not only that, what is it that I really want? And what do I actually need? Every month, we make choices about where our money goes. Lately, I realized that I'd rather spend my money on experiences and invest it in things that I really need, like retirement, because I definitely plan to retire before I hit, when I hit 62. And I also want to invest in peace of mind. That's something that I could hold on to rather than expenses I truly don't need. This isn't really about a vehicle. It's about making room for the life I want over the next decade. I'm not giving up anything really. And this is just one step of mine. One step to get me all the things that I really want. In space for what is next in my life. And that needs as much financial freedom as possible. If you're thinking about simplifying your own life, I'd love to hear what that looks like for you, because this took me a lot of preparation and thinking and planning before I actually decided to do it. And it doesn't have to be about a car or a house or something like that, but maybe it's paying off some type of debt or downsizing anyway, to simply choose like peace of mind over stuff. You know why? Because we're all on a journey, and this is just one step on mine. My channel is about car camping, gardening, writing, living, travel, all of those different things. Just living life. That's why it's called Kai Explores Life. And if you like to be on this journey with me exploring your life and getting ideas from my channel, I would love for you to subscribe, like the video if you so choose, and hype it if you have that option on your phone. And come back and leave me comments. I love the comments part the most. So thank you for being with me, all of my old subscribers and all of those new subscribers that may choose to subscribe as a result of any video that they watched. So in the meantime, everyone, good mental health, good spiritual health, and as always, good physical health. Y'all take great care.